Hello and welcome to the Atlantic DeFi podcast. My name is Fidel and I have no type of graph or anything. I'm just here to just give you a bit about the situation that's happening right now. I took a while. I had to do a little bit of research and I kind of wanted to see how the markets were going. If you look at my past videos, I actually said uh, what was going to happen a bit, that it was going to go down. Banks are starting to buy and some of those things have happened, and it's still, I think it's gonna go down to 65 right now. I think it's at 67,000 Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency. Again, check my past videos so if you want to know exactly what. But what I'm saying is the following. After I did a couple of research of why is this happening, and the macroeconomic uncertainty is part of it, but I discovered something else. I discovered something that it's quite normal, but in the crypto space, nobody's talking about it. And it's the fact that a lot of people have moved on. And when I mean moved on, I'm saying they have gone to other speculations like prediction markets. If you've seen out things like Polymarket and Kalshi, people are still using, if you look up MetaMask, a lot of those stuff is getting used for that particular point. A lot of investors are going to things like gold and it's safer as bonds, things like that. Uh, but what I also see is that if you look at places like venture capital, which was a good thing, venture capital is going to another side of crypto, which is stable coins. They're going to stablecoin infrastructure and payments infrastructure in blockchain. Before they used to go to the new layer one or layer two or AI crappy tokens or DAOs and crap like that. But that's not happening right now. What's happening right now is that a lot of this people have moved on and they're putting their money someplace else, including retail. Retail has gone to prediction markets, collectibles, gold, metals, stocks. And right now, there's a lot of speculators. There's another playground to go to and search the next new thing. And this is a bit cool. I think it's kind of cool because the following things is that the grifters are leaving. That doesn't mean that they left. There's still a lot of grifters out there, but a lot of the serious people that still want to build things and do functional things in cryptocurrencies are still here, and the market's going to be way smaller than what it was before. Institutional investors are still investing. However, a lot of the banks are not investing a lot, maybe 2%, maybe if, in even if sometimes at 3%. I mean, if it's very risky, maybe 5, which again, that's still millions and millions of dollars, probably billions of dollars. But a lot of those people are being really careful on what they're spending on. Could this come back? Of course, I think it's going to come back. I think definitely Bitcoin is going to be an asset that's going to stay. What happens with the other thousands of coins? They're going to go probably nowhere. That's their reality. That's always been the risk. Your meme coin's probably dead right now, and it's never going to come back. But that's the reality that we're facing right now. Um, we are in a uncertain situation, and crypto is the first one to notice because again, it's going down. There's extreme fear, but a lot of people have moved on to other things, and I'm talking about mostly retail. I'm not necessarily talking about, like those traders and things. Some of them still are still there. Also, there's a lot of leverage that probably they got liquidated and things like that. Which again, I think everybody, if you go to the blockchains and analyze the data, you probably see that. You probably see that a lot of liquidations, a lot of calls got liquidated, things like that. And there's people that bought a lot of cryptocurrency with other people's money, and they want their money back, and they can't buy it anymore. So those are things that are happening. But the one that I realize is the one, like I said, for the little guys, for guys like you and me. Uh, those people have moved on. And I think that's a bit concerning because the fact is that Bitcoin was supposed to be this liberation, a new way of finance, disruptive things, and now you see banks and firms kind of taking over it, and the retail person that this was supposed to be, you know, liberated or be decentralized has moved on to other things. That doesn't mean that they're never going to come back. That doesn't mean that things will go back up. Like I said, I think Ethereum, Bitcoin, maybe Solana, Ripple, and those currencies are going to stay because they have actually real infrastructure. A lot of them other ones are going to die. That's just the reality. They're just going to die. But it's very interesting to see that a lot of these retail investors have moved on. The fear of missing out's not there anymore. People have less money to spend. And again, we'll see within the upcoming months or years how this is going to end up. I'm still a firm believer. I think the Bitcoin's still going to go up. It's going to go down. Believe me, it's going to go down. I think it's going to go down. I said 65. It could go a bit down than that. I mean, hopefully it doesn't, but I think it's going to. But again, it's something that we have to make sure that if you're here in the long run, things like this will happen. Markets go up and down all the time. So if you're not prepared for it, maybe don't do it and just, don't spend a lot of money on it. But again, it's something that happens with any market. So again, we're going to put this on our Atlantic DeFi newsletter. Just go to atlanticdefi.com and check out more of it. And we'll see you next week. Peace.